What's up people, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'll tell you guys, does Instagram still notify you when you take a screenshot of a story or a post? So before starting this video, be sure to like and subscribe and notification turned on to our channel, and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And without any further ado, let's start today's video. So does Instagram still notify you when you take a screenshot of a story or a post? Well, no, it doesn't. It used to in the past, but in the latest update they have removed this feature. So let me show you. I go to this person's story and I take a screenshot like this, and no notification is going to be sent to this person because they have removed this feature. I can also go to this person's chat. So let me go to anyone's chat on Carl's chat. So let me take a screenshot. As you guys can see, no notification has been sent to him. So yeah, Instagram does not notify the other user if you take the screenshot of their story or their post. This feature has been removed, so you can take a screenshot of the story or a post of a person without worrying that the notification will be sent to them. It's only in Snapchat now. So yeah, if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification on, and comment down below if you guys have any questions related to this video. We will try to fix them by answering you in the comment. And yeah, have a nice day everybody. I'm signing out. Bye bye.